What's up and good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to another video. We're gonna do something a little bit different today. Done this once before in a video, however, we were not properly equipped. We're gonna be taking the Bronco here, compliments oh geez, hold on, my child is a little bit angry. I told you I'll buy you a Happy Meal. Oh, okay, you're sleeping. All right, perfect. So we've gone to a pre-runner meet before. However, we've never had a pre-runner-ish vehicle. Well, today that is about to change. We're gonna go see what kind of reactions the Bronco gets over at a pre-runner meet where there's gonna be much nicer, actually, like fully built off-road trucks and stuff. Last time we went, I think we took like the gray OBS or something. And like most communities, the off-road community has a lot of really cool, awesome people. But then you also get those like tough guys out there that I think the last meet we went to, anytime they see the YouTube kid walking by with his camera, they were talking a lot of papas. And if you don't live near the border, that means talking a lot of smack. Let's see how today goes. Hey buddy, good morning.
Oh, good morning.
Are you ready?
Yeah, let's roll.
All right, Chris, we're in the right spot. Look, we got two identical Rangers, tan color with white fiberglass in the front. How come we don't have matching trucks, Chris? Do you not love me?
It's not in the budget.
Oh, it's not in the budget? I feel like those are though. I mean, granted, Rangers are way more expensive than they should be nowadays, but like I feel like we could afford those.
Pass them up. They're going too slow.
I mean, we already went through some mud because people have been driving and slinging mud all over the road. Look at that, I got some mud on my fenders right there. This thing was pristine. And then we got some guy in an OBS out front that's going 3 miles an hour because he's stuck behind a biker and he just needs to go around the biker.
You gotta stay 4 feet away from the biker, right?
But they don't stop at stop signs, so you shouldn't also follow the rules either. That's what train horns are good for. Big Ryan, you gotta share the road. Why is this guy not? You have plenty of freaking room in your OBS to go around the guy on the bicycle.
I don't know, but it looks cold.
It's not the best beach weather. There's a lot of people over here, man. We're gonna go the more paved route. We'll see these guys in a second. Pretty clean extended cab OBS right there.
Zach?
I ain't going through the mud, man. This thing just got clean. It was covered in mud a little bit ago. We'll let the Twin Rangers pass us again. What do you see, Chris? What do you see? You know these guys?
Back there, yeah.
Oh.
It's my friends.
Oh, all your friends? Look at this, Zero. Yeah, we park next to the stock 4Runners, you know?
This is where we're parking?
This is where we park in. This is perfect. Look, I've got a purple / some people might mistake it as pink. Look at. This is a perfect spot because look at where these guys ended up. In our same spot. Yeah. And we dodged all the mud. But look, I got purple / pink powder coat. Well, and then we got a pink Tacoma over there. Oh, you're warm, buddy? You good? You good? Yeah. In the off-road chocolates? All right, Chris, here we go, bro. Look at this thing right here.
Oh, this thing.
We got that Pro Comp long travel. This is the guy that was getting all the mud up on the road that we ran into because it's all over the asphalt now.
Complete opposite of what you did.
Yeah, right? Oh, look at this bad boy right here. You see, guys, this here is the prime example of what Chris should have done to his truck. There's a couple examples of what Chris should have done to his truck here, but this one is super nice.
I did.
You did this?
Got the same bumper, same tires, third brake light. I'll go just as fast.
You especially won't right now. Where's your truck, Doc? Where's your truck?
It's getting detailed.
Oh, is that what's happening?
I got that option.
Oh, at the dealership for 2 weeks?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. They take good care of you over there?
Yeah, they take great care.
Okay, nice. Oh, look at this beast right here. Let's see. This guy's built for the mud, although he is really clean. Solid axle swap Duramax. I actually really like that bed on there. It's a pretty slick setup. He's 4-linked in the rear too. Alright guys, we got another prime example here of what Chris should have done to his truck. Chris, is this the one? Oh, just look at those tires. So these are the tires that I wanted on the Bronco.
Why'd you get them?
Why didn't I get them? They don't make them anymore. They discontinue these. You can find a few floating around in some people's shops, or you can get the trophy truck takeoffs, which is typically what these are. They're not DOT rated, but who cares about that? Where we're going, we don't need that. They are nice. I just love the smooth sidewall. That's what I wanted this look for the Bronco so bad. Not saying it's never gonna happen, because there's a chance it might happen. We might just buy a set just for this. This thing's super clean. Super clean. Another bumper install. Remember when I did that for you? I feel like I'm a pro fabricator now. No, see, this is the thing.
You need some practice.
No, look, we don't have these little bolts there to hold it from flapping because I cut yours too much. Oh, there's a big old canyon right here. This is what we need matching of. Can we make matching sick vans like this? Old ambulances. We got a wood-burning stove in there or something. Bro, this thing's massive. This thing is sick.
It's cooking something.
You right? What dang, squirrel? Possum?
Oh, that's where you hold your beer?
Yeah, when you're taking a piss on. Yeah, that's it, dog. This thing is sick. This thing's huge. Jeez.
Oh.
Wouldn't want to drive this in a high wind day.
Picked the wrong day.
Yeah. What's up, Poppy? What's up? What's up? Oh, yeah.
Looks like you got the memo though, dude.
All right, guys, so I totally screwed up today. Did not bring the RC cars. I don't know why, I didn't even remember. What's up, buddy? What's up, buddy? How you been? Oh, I almost got taken out by another truck. How you been?
Good, how are you?
I forgot my RC car.
I didn't bring one either.
Harry,
I don't
I'll go on hobbies. Zach's, this is Zach's, do we call you his pimp now at this point?
Yeah, pimp, second homeowner.
Yeah. I feel like it gives you at least a mortgage payment a week.
Santa Claus. Yeah, I've been seeing Zach at least 3 times a week.
So if you guys are wondering, Zach's on like RC car number 15.
Yeah.
And it's from this man right here, El Cajon Hobbies.
And then every race night, he's just trying to battle hard with everyone. He's trying to fit in good.
So he's got the best scam going. You have to go there, and then if you drive like Zach, you break your car there, and then Zach's impatient, so instead of buying parts, he buys another car.
Oh, yep, it works for me. I mean, I'm not complaining. Harry says, you see all these,
Yeah, right.
you see all these sick ass cars?
Someone's
Yeah.
getting whacked right now. They got the ramp out after the mud hole, so they're gonna get squirrely after. Oh, better idea. Jumping into
Yeah,
the
there you
mud
go.
hole. All right. You know what? This is another one. I think Harry brought the ramps, he brought the RC cars, and he's selling cars.
Right?
Immediately gonna have them break, and he's like, "Oh, let me take that back to my shop."
You gotta clean it first.
Oh, it's gonna be a nightmare to clean.
You think someone's gonna clear the mud pile?
Oh, we got Zachariah pulling up right there, rocking his speed poles. Look at this, most festive guy here today. Look at this guy. Woo, just dressed for the occasion.
Right?
Dude, we brought the freshies. Those shoelaces are not gonna be white by the end of the night.
You know, they've lasted this long, so.
Well, we had to come down by the water real quick before the sun goes down to get the obligatory Instagram pictures. Just look at that view right there. You don't get that in Tuscaloosa, Alabama.
Oh, look at that sunset.
You wanna stand together and watch it?
Right towards it.
Wait, are we talking the sunset right above those,
Yeah, the condominiums.
but like right next to the fire truck that's right there, because it's probably a tweaker dead on the beach?
Somebody's dying.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one.
Oh, beautiful.
Perfect.
Beautiful.
Here, if you stand right here, you don't see it.
That's the trick in Southern California, guys, to not see the tweakers. You just adjust your view a little bit.
You do one of these. It's gone. Beautiful view.
Beautiful view. There you go, Zach. That could be you, man.
A Chevy? Have you ever seen me own a Chevy?
Yeah.
Oh, I do own a Chevy. Huh?
We'll get a little closer look here in the solid axle swap Terra Max. Sorry for the super up close view. We have switched to the iPhone because, well, it's getting dark and we all know the GoPros are gonna be grainy. So I think Dedic actually wanted to build a bed like this on his K20. I know he wanted to build like an off-road recovery style bed. I mean, this is more like a chase rack with like an off-road flatbed, which is pretty sick. I actually really like these things. Those lights are pretty dope too. Oh, look, we found these two guys over here at the raffle. Didn't even enter the raffle. Hey, did you guys win?
Yeah.
What'd you win?
Truck.
Oh, nice. Which one?
It's that purple and gray Bronco.
Dang. Zach, we gotta get you one of those, bro. Whatever that little thing is on the back. There we go. This is right here. This is OG Zach days right there. That's Zach's world right there. I like the dirt bag on the back.
100% guarantee if I find a truck exactly like that, I will make it anywhere in the rest of these trucks go. Might have a little bit of a back injury when we get there, but we'll make it there.
When are we putting the pre-runner bumper and the light bar on the Saturn?
When I get a new truck.
Oh.
Fern's pulling in. You want to wait for him?
What the? Fern's 12 hours late. Well, everybody found a good use for the mud pits here. Got all the RC rock crawlers out. This is like the perfect spot right here. Hold on, hopefully we gotta keep the music out of here so we don't get copyright striked. So pissed that I didn't bring my RC cars. Well guys, better late than never. We've got Fern Semi-Famous Barbecue pulling up here. The only guy just like hot dogging it with the trailer, with the truck. Fern just no cares in the world. Look at this. There goes Fern, right there, right through the mud. Fern don't mess around. Yep, just park it right in the mud, Fern. Ladies and gentlemen, Fern Semi-Famous Barbecue. What's up, buddy?
Man,
Bro, you just take up the whole center lane.
we do. Look at that. I mean,
Fern don't mess around.
yeah.
And he brought some toys. Boys, look at we got a trash truck.
Hey, it's a side loader too.
Dang, Fern, I don't want the garbage truck, man. I want this 55-gallon drum of VP fuel. Dang, guys, Fern's even got a freshy freaking Predator generator from the homies over at Harbor Freight. Fern is stocked up. I don't know where Fern just came from, but Fern clearly just came from camping somewhere.
No, this is how Fern's truck looks.
Oh, this is how Fern rolls around town?
Yeah.
He just brings his house with him? Jeez, Fern. You were decked out, buddy.
$300 in toys for kids.
Gee, look at this. The friggin'
Give back.
Fern just never stops giving, man. Fern coming in with the big upgrade on the truck. Got his Carly kit on. Oh, that's a Fern Semi-Famous Barbecue edition right there, though. Look at that.
So if it gets too hot, the sticker will fall off. I know we.
Oh, that's how you, yeah. All right, so this guy's been to the desert. Well, actually, Chris and Zach have both been with Fern in this truck. Fern's over here driving this thing like it's a freaking pre-runner.
It's a chase truck.
Yeah, oh, okay, sorry. But Fern, you gotta unhook the trailer first, bro.
No, that's how we go. It's hospitality.
Oh, okay, there you go.
Even the trailers lifted 2 inches.
If anybody needs Fern at the top of Olds or anything, he'll come camp out and cook for you at the top. He'll make it up there. Fern, how you liking the new Carly kit?
Bro, it's smooth. It's phenomenal. We're gonna do the track bar tomorrow. A couple different upgrades. Carly's reached out again. Hey, what else can we do? And I'm like, man. Come up tomorrow then? We're gonna do that tomorrow. Yeah, we gotta do that tomorrow. So I'm excited.
All right, Fern coming in with a quick stop, dropping off the toys for the kids, and now bouncing out. The screaming Banshee power stroke there. All right, guys, well, that pre-order meet went a lot quicker than we thought, and it actually got dark really quick. So we are making our way to get some food now. Look at this, we're parking in the center over here. Bronco found a Bronco buddy. Which Bronco are you guys taking? We taking mine, or we got the Mud Fun Bronco over here. It's a soft top. What edition are we rocking? Oh, we're also a Badlands. There you go. Got a little 2 Badlands right there. It's a good comparison on the size of the Bronco. We're coming to one of our favorite spots here, Barrio Dog. Chris is a hungry man. He's already in line. And then we found Zach. Zach, did you come for the estate sale?
I did.
All right.
The motorhome included?
I don't know. I mean, do we go in? Do we just knock? The balloons are kind of creepy, not gonna lie.
Yeah, it's got a weird we all float down here kind of vibe.
Yeah. I don't think this one's for us, man. We're gonna pass on this estate sale. What are we getting, buddy? What are we getting?
Well, Chris said he likes that Chihuahua.
I'm a fan of El Smokey.
Wait, no, hold on.
What?
Where's the kids' menu for Zach?
I think this guy will give us a toy if we go in the motorhome. Whoa, Zach! Bro, we were over here making fun of balloons. The balloons got light up string, dude. I thought the balloon rope looked a little odd.
But I wasn't gonna question it.
Pastor fry with bacon with added fried egg. Smoky fry with bacon. Another pastor fry with bacon and fried egg. 1 mañosa, 1 sangrona, and 1 orange Fanta.
It's nice having a sugar daddy. Oh. I mean, you're rocking the slides, dog. I mean, you're just meant for this. Look at that. Reserved. Thanks, buddy. You've gone above and beyond, Chris.
People everywhere, don't they?
Bro, look at it. Two-handed it right here. I like this. Looking good. Looking good.
Thank you.
Are you 21, sir?
In certain countries.
All right, fair. Give us a rundown here.
I got a mango michi,
Oh.
mango, lime, beer,
How do you say the full word properly?
michelada.
Dang, son, look at that, look at that. Looking good, bro, looking good. Whoa, okay. We got the Al Pastor.
With an egg.
Looks good, bro. Look at that little pineapple on there. A little bacon on the hot dogs.
Yeah, girl.
Ooh, some French fries. Is that an egg? Take a little cracked egg on there for you? Oh, what? Zach over here twinning. Got the same thing? Oh, man. Awesome. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. All right, guys, we got the El Smokey over here. We got a little pulled pork on there. We got some bacon wrapped hot dogs. Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
There, Zach's egg over there, looking good. Oh, yeah. Okay, guys, well, we are going to wrap up this video. I know this one was super short. I thought it'd be longer, but, well, you know, is what it is. And so much for the Bronco being clean now. She is no longer clean. So, as always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not subscribed already, please click the subscribe button now that you're not missing out on any future content. Sorry for it being grainy. Don't forget to give this video a like, a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out workforapparel.com because if there's anything you want in this life, you got to be willing to work for it. You guys are the best. we're out.
Damn.